Myself, Urdhva. I'm from grade 4A and today I'm going to tell you one nutritional, tasty and yummy dish. So let's begin. I'm going to make Choco Ladoos. For this recipe, I have ingredients: Oreo biscuits and Parle-G biscuits, protein powder, Hershey's chocolate syrup, toothpick and a small glass of milk. Friends, for Choco Ladoos, first we have to take out this Oreo biscuits cream. So we will take out I had taken out all the creams of the Oreo biscuits. Now the remaining Oreo biscuits, this we will put in the mixer. Friends, we have take the Parle-G biscuits. They will also put this Parle-G biscuits in the mixer. Blended. Now we have to take out these biscuits in a bowl. And now we will put a protein powder, chocolate syrup, milk, and we have to mix it well. You can mix it with hands or spoon. Now I have mixed all the ingredients and now I will make the balls. So like this, we have to make the balls. So now we have to put a finger like this and put the Oreo biscuits cream in it. And we have to make the balls. We had made the laddu. Now we will take one toothpick and put into it. We had made the ball. It's looking so cute. Now I will eat this.